Today we talk about how can you set cache size on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on settings down here, just click on it. So when you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this is it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down here. So then here you will find notification settings, or you just click here on cache settings here, just click on it. When you click here on cache settings, you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on set cache size here, and here can you set in this list like you see here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.